those real haters doubted me, but they're about to see I'm too fly for you to be looking down on me. You know I'm about to be.
I don't see one rap chick that I rate. I've clocked this scene and I've seen this for snakes. These lot just wanna sit and talk broke. I don't wanna know your thoughts. If they're bitch to you, then a bitch might you. That's why my expressions are known to provoke. You see them chicks, they're not a threat to me. If they're fire, then I must be in the next degree. If you're hot, I'm cold, subtle and bold. On another level than these chicks on the road. Let it be known I'm in a class in my own car. All I see is snakes setting police with clones. Move on my Jones, I'm in my own zone, I've noticed. Being a rebel's the norm. That's why I miss skis in a frame of her own. I'm raw to myself and raw to the game. But still you know now I can never be tame. Cause I work too hard, come too far. I feel like it could prick you if it says I can't bow. One of the best and worst. Stick up my chest, trying to hold me down, I can't be repressed. Put me to the test, watch me surpass. Didn't I tell you I'm in another class? If anything, it's your memory that can't last. I'm acute, whatever your mood. Bring up the pain that you pass, cause I'm here for the loot. Here for the long run, better get used to the wrong run. Braids brings hate, so I don't care for them other ones. No, I don't watch fates. Of course there's hate, and the snakes in the grass so far from base. So I gotta look over shoulders now. 17 and older now. Never did I care for the rep that I've got. Now the rep that I've got means more than a crown. Ow, brave. Hello, my name is Misky. I'm a 17-year-old artist from West London. I've currently got a mixtape out called Let Me Ever Go.
Okay.
Brave. Be somebody TV Misky. Get the mixtape together.
Okay.
Yeah, run up on the rhythm of the flow, stone cold in the road so the crackers go. I guess I'm not a tool for the fiends in the scene, for the fiends in the scene of the road. And Misky's just one of them chicks that won't fluke in the first but blow. Zach, so, Lord, and he missed up, told me. They should just say that my content retarded flow. Let me not go to my ego, so head gone, believe me, the beat is strong. Brace, another year past it, another hit song. Never need reborn, never 360, I'm 17, but I swear they kissed me. Got so many officers here that I had to take a step to breathe. They infected me, woo. Let me sit down, then take one, wanna know why, get the right one. Think I'm a dance, look what I've done. A year ago, I reached out to about the whole of the industry. Cut from tabs, never got back to me, now they're belling up my line. All of the time, ping, 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 that's my phone to the side. Loving it up, get it bubbling up, go get 6 mode, I'm glued to my clutch. Glued to my clutch, fresh shows and stuff. Let's toast to the fact that we're known at the top. Toast to the braids that are on my next stop. Next in line, we want their kids. Rubbers of the world in a world full of sin, that means we must be left right. Yeah, you guessed right. Fingers in a row with the balls up mixes. DK's fuck, man, I said she's gifted. Can't I? If he gets his act right, it's a rap for them. But if we get that shot, we'll never ever miss this. Brave.
Okay.
I was 15, I did a promo under the name of Lady Noisy, about 10 tracks strong. And then when I was 16, I changed my name back to my birth name, which is Misky. And then I had like a couple of tracks recorded then, up to now. And I just kind of collected them together to make this new mixtape called Let Me Ever Go. Be somebody TV, braids, get the mixtape in heaven. Yo, it's the year of the underdogs, so why bet money on MCs that leaning about to blow about 10 times in a row, but still ain't gone anywhere. I swear down east anywhere, nothing like Pheno, nothing like KI. You see the braids movement, it's the next thing. When I was shaking the leg of the dance, I was investing. So the vision so vivid, when the vision of a better life calling, whatever you wanna call it, I knew it was important. So ahead of my time, I don't skip the line, I went straight to the booth for the line, I was jumping. I saw them stop smoking, I told them fix up, look sharp, don't get your nicks in a twist, no long to you. Knew the deal from when I stepped in, and some the one that really testing up. Wavy for lunch, no vesting, vest up a pick, so don't pick the testing. I put my all in, this is my calling, last on the line like his heart ain't pumping. These ducker brothers like a circle, stop pumping. Love I'm the one that train them fool. Always on my TV, so my toes quite soaring. I don't wanna be for no one there, I just wanna get my P's in right. I've thought it through from different views, and I've concluded I'm in this for life, but it comes at a price being promoted apart. Never look back, shoulders never too far. Cover up the mirrors, plaster the scars. Live up in the moment, don't look for the past. Funny brings up the pain me past. I sound like a shrimp for the clients myself. Got a type of card to see me skin and show. Come soberly that I'm waiting at the door. I weighed up the cost and the price is small. The game's gonna be proper, but I was sober before it's a minor. I'll just use the hood law, stay strapped. Eyes on my back, it's a wall. I had a single out called I'm Noisy, which is on YouTube, my time. I threw up videos just as a promotional tool, so people could get to know me and stuff like that. You can find all the links to my music on youtube.com/BrazeMT and facebook.com/MiskyMusic. I update that regularly so you can get all the links to my stuff from there. And Twitter, of course, Misky Music again. Misky signing out. Braze.